are in city of Charlottesville, or the independent city of Charlottesville, and I just went into, I just thought it'd be interesting to look at. Yeah, but as you can see, my radio went off. So, flood warning.
Pump into Martin. Take cover now.
Tornado warning.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the floor of a sturdy building.
That was unexpected. Tornado warning.
Sure enough.
Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield.
What?